1-minute science. The specification, the new one for 2018, first examination, says that you need to be able to use a data logger and suggest when to use it. This is a data logger and it's measuring pH. The pH, the bulb, is sensitive to changes in pH and it's stored in this special buffer solution. We don't want the bulb to go dry, and so by storing it in this solution that's of pH 4 and less, it stays wet and it also doesn't go mouldy. When I plug the probe into the data logger, it knows exactly what it is, so we don't have to mess about with anything there. And I'm going to unscrew the bulb. I'm going to rinse the bulb. I'm going to place it in whatever it is I'm going to test. And I'm going to take the reading from there. Taking the bulb out, I'm going to give it a good rinse again with distilled water. And then I'm going to store it back in there. So when would I use this? What kind of experiment? Well, if I think about it, when fats are digested, we get 3 fatty acids and 1 glycerol. 3 fatty acids are going to reduce the pH of a solution. So this pH meter could be used to find the rate of digestion of fats.